Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the iPad. Make sure iPadOS is current so Gboard runs smoothly. Once updated, download Gboard from the App Store and launch it to accept basic permissions. Next, open Settings and add Gboard as a keyboard. Make sure to toggle Allow Full Access so features like GIF and Google search work. These steps unlock Gboard's core functions quickly, and they prevent permission errors later, so don't skip the full access setting before moving on. Now you'll switch to Gboard and tailor it to your typing style. Tap the globe icon or long press it to pick Gboard from the list. Once selected, open the Gboard app to enable glide typing and pick a theme for contrast and visibility. You can also activate one-handed mode if you prefer. Sign into your Google account inside Gboard to sync suggestions and clipboard history. These customization steps improve speed and accuracy, and they let you keep settings consistent across devices. Finish by using Gboard's tools. Tap the G icon for search, GIF, emoji, and voice typing to speed messages. Once done, make sure the keyboard behaves by testing in notes or messages. If features fail, force quit the app and reopen it, then double-check Allow Full Access. If problems persist, reset the keyboard dictionary or uninstall and reinstall Gboard to clear corrupted settings. This sequence resolves most issues quickly, and it gets you back to fast, efficient typing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.